The purpose of today's launch was the official launch of our data center, which we know as Data Park. It is the newest and the flagship data center that we've put underneath the Vodacom arsenal. It's an extension to the existing data center that we have on the campus at the moment, which we launched back in August 2008.
This launch is very strategic to us in that we're positioning ourselves now as a serious player in cloud hosting and IT. It marks a milestone in what Vodacom has done. We've prepared for this for many, many years. We've built last mile infrastructure, we've built very large data centers, of which you've seen today.
Points of contact, credentials, fingerprint recognition, everything works on biometrics. So your finger is essentially your key card in and out of this environment. In the absence of this, you'll never see the inside of the data center, right? What you will notice today that a lot of the doors have been opened prior to us arriving. We've increased the amount of security to compensate for that, but the reason why we've done that is just purely because of the numbers. Trying to get in and out of the facility is a little bit hard given the space. This facility is a total of 3,000 squares, 2,000 squares of which is dedicated purely for customer consumption. 1,000 squares has been dedicated for internal Vodacom IT. Our IT systems and billing runs off this facility. So we don't have different data centers for what we run as our core and customer consumption. They consolidate in one. It was designed by people who've clearly been in data centers at 2 o'clock in the morning. It's not a very friendly environment. So the idea was to try and make it as customer friendly or third party friendly as possible. This data center has got a total of 10 MVA of power that's connected to it. The energy centers at this point in time, both rooms have got 2 clusters of 800 kilowatts each, and they're backed up by 2 dedicated generators of 2.65 MVA each.
We launched Vodacom Business Cloud Services today as the next stage in our strategy to be a total ICT services provider. And the future for us now is to develop applications and cloud-based solutions hosted in these environments. It's very key, it's very strategic, it's part of an overall strategy that Vodafone have engaged in, and I guess in a way we're executing the Pan-African vision of Vodafone's global cloud strategy.